Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tamilarasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to delve into a topic that's backbone of countless industries worldwide: manufacturing process. Whether you are a business owner, a manager, or a curious individual, understanding how manufacturing process works and its importance to the economy is essential knowledge. So buckle up and join me in this informative ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging video like this.
1. Understanding the basics of the manufacturing process. Let's start from the beginning. What is the manufacturing process? It refers to the series of steps involved in transforming raw materials into a finished product. This process is crucial for any industry, as it determines the product's final quality and cost. The basic steps include design, material procurement, processing, and quality control. The efficient management of these steps is what determines a successful manufacturing process. 2. The importance of efficient manufacturing processes in industries. Efficient manufacturing processes play a major role in any industry. They enable industries to produce high-quality goods at a low cost, giving them a competitive advantage. Efficient processes also reduce waste, save time, and improve productivity. Moreover, they can lead to increased customer satisfaction due to better product quality and timely delivery. 3. 5 stages of a successful manufacturing process. Here are the 5 stages of a successful manufacturing process. 1. Concept design, where the product idea is developed. 2. Detailed design, where the product concept is transformed into a working model. 3. Material procurement, where the necessary materials and components are sourced. 4. Manufacturing, where the raw materials are transformed into the final product. 5. Quality control, where the final product is checked for defects and quality. 4. Technological innovations changing modern manufacturing processes. In recent years, technology has significantly transformed the manufacturing process. Innovations such as AI, IoT, and 3D printing have not only improved production efficiency but also product quality. These technologies have also allowed for the customization of products and rapid prototyping, giving businesses a competitive edge. 5. The role of quality control in the manufacturing process. Quality control is a critical part of the manufacturing process. It ensures that the final products meet the set standards and specifications. It also helps to identify and correct defects and errors, preventing costly reworks and returns. Moreover, quality control enhances customer satisfaction and trust in the products. The manufacturing process is a vital part of any industry. It's essential for business owners and managers to understand and optimize this process. It not only increases efficiency and productivity but also boosts customer satisfaction and business growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Until next time, keep learning.